Hi everyone, so this is Alisha Rai and welcome to our channel The Asset Tree, wherein today we will be discussing about the Godrej properties. So let's get started. So guys, Godrej is one of the top 3 developers in Delhi NCR, Bangalore, Mumbai and Pune. So a subsidiary of Godrej Industries Limited, company was established in 1990 under the leadership of Adi Godrej. So Godrej Properties Limited is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE and the National Stock Exchange NSE. It operates in Chandigarh, Gurgaon, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Nagpur, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Mangalore, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai and Kochi. So Godrej just not in real estate but overall carries a legacy of more than 126 years now. If I talk about only real estate, they have their presence in 14 cities, 90 plus ongoing project, including delivered project with more than 1 lakh happy customers now. So in past 34 years, every project that Godrej has launched was based on something. So today we stand at a very luxurious property in Gurgaon of Godrej in sectors 49, which is on very prime location on golf course extension. So guys, be it investor, be it end user, everyone seeks for a connectivity, an amazing connectivity. This project suffices it all. So currently we are standing on Godrej Aristocrats Gallery, wherein they have made their sample apartment, wherein they have shown that this project is on the basis of curated forestry. So now let me give you a brief about the project. So in total it is 9.56 acres of land parcel having 728 units in total. These sizes could be 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. So 1800 square feet to 2100 square feet, there will be 3 BHK, wherein 2500 square feet to 3400 square feet, there will be 3 BHK plus utility and 4 BHK plus utility. The structure would be lobby plus 31 floors. There will be 3 twin towers in a pairing, wherein every tower will have 4 to a core apartment. So now again the question arises, why you should go for Godrej Aristocrat? None of the project in Gurgaon has come up with this forest concept. So as I already told you, it is based on curated forest theme based. I am not saying that it will be on a green, it will be grasses or something, no, but it will be surrounded by forest as in the trees. So guys, one of the major USP is that this project is on forest theme based. So we all know कि पूरा Delhi NCR कितना ज़्यादा polluted है and how badly we all need the fresh air, right? So if you are getting this fresh air within the society, what else you need? So all the towers are either east or west facing only, which says all the towers are Vastu compliance. Also the view, the amazing view you will gonna get is of city skylines and sunsets only. Last but not the least, they have come up with their MIP plan, which will give a leverage of paying 10% initially and then your EMI will start. So what we call it 1090 payment plan or 2575 payment plan. Right, so for more details and for the pricing, do contact on this given number. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thanks so much.